Have you ever wondered what vitamins actually do? Not just take your vitamins, they're good for you. I mean, what are these tiny little alphabet letters doing inside your body all day? Because vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K sound like someone lost control of a cereal box. But these tiny nutrients are not random. They help your body see, heal, build bones, make energy, protect cells, support your immune system, and keep your brain from acting like a phone at 1% battery. And by the end of this video, you will never look at food the same way again. Because food is not just calories, food is instructions. And vitamins are part of the instruction manual your body uses to build you. So, let's explain every vitamin your body needs in under 9 minutes. First, there are two vitamin teams: fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. These can be stored in your body's fat and liver. Basically, they don't just visit. They move in, unpack a suitcase, and ask where the snacks are. Because your body stores them, you don't need huge amounts every single day. But this also means taking too much can be a problem, especially from supplements. So with vitamins, more is not always better. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin C and B vitamins. These dissolve in water, and your body does not store them the same way. They're more like helpful guests who come over, fix the kitchen, and leave before things get weird. That means your body needs them more regularly from food. Let's start with vitamin A. Vitamin A is the vision vitamin. It helps your eyes work, especially in low light. So if your body had a night mode setting, vitamin A helps it turn it on. It also supports your skin and immune system. So vitamin A is part eye technician, part skin repair crew, and part immune system bouncer. You can get it from foods like eggs, dairy, liver, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. And yes, carrots really do connect to vision. But eating one carrot will not turn you into a superhero owl. It just helps your body do what it already was designed to do. Next, we have the B vitamins. And this is where people get confused, because vitamin B is not one vitamin. It is a whole chaotic office staff. There are 8 B vitamins, and they help with energy, metabolism, brain function, nerves, and blood. If your body is a factory, the B vitamins are running around with tiny clipboards yelling, "Who forgot to turn on the energy machine?" Vitamin B1, also called thiamine, helps your body turn food into energy, especially carbohydrates. So when you eat food, B1 helps translate it into fuel your cells can actually use. Without it, your body is like, "Thank you for the sandwich, unfortunately I lost the instruction manual." Vitamin B2, called riboflavin, helps with energy production, cell function, and healthy skin and eyes. Riboflavin is the quiet person in the group project who actually made this slideshow. Nobody notices, but without them, the whole thing falls apart. Vitamin B3, called niacin, helps your body use food for energy and supports your nervous system, skin, and digestion. Niacin is like the energy factory manager. It walks in wearing a tiny hard hat saying, "Okay people, let's convert this burrito into life force." Vitamin B5, called pantothenic acid, helps your body break down fats, carbs, and proteins. Simple version, B5 helps turn food into usable energy. It's the backstage roadie of metabolism. Nobody sees it, but if it quits, the concert is over. Vitamin B6 helps your brain, immune system, and neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers in your brain. So B6 helps your brain send better messages. Basically, your brain has a group chat, and B6 helps keep it from sending everything in all caps at 2 a.m. Vitamin B7 is biotin. Biotin helps break down fats, carbs, and proteins. It's also famous for hair, skin, and nails. That's why it shows up on beauty supplement bottles like it just walked a red carpet. But biotin is not just the beauty department, it's also part of the metabolism team. Vitamin B9 is folate. Folate helps your body make DNA and new cells. That makes it important for growth, red blood cells, and pregnancy. Think of folate like the body's copy machine for building new cells. Except this copy machine actually matters and does not jam for no reason. Vitamin B12 helps your nerves, red blood cells, and DNA. This is a big one for energy and brain function. B12 is like your nervous system's charging cable. And because B12 is mostly found in animal foods, people eating plant-based diets often need to pay close attention to it. So that's the B vitamin team. They are not boring. They're the body's energy crew. They help turn food into movement, focus, nerves, blood, and actual functioning human behavior. Now let's talk about C. Vitamin C is the body's construction worker. It helps make collagen. Collagen is a protein your body uses for skin, blood vessels, bones, cartilage, and connective tissue. So when your body needs to heal, repair, or hold things together, vitamin C shows up with a little hard hat saying, "Who authorized this skin damage?" Vitamin C also supports your immune system and helps protect your cells as an antioxidant. You can get it from oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi, and other fruits and vegetables. And yes, people always think of oranges. But bell peppers are in the corner like, excuse me, I've been carrying this team. Vitamin C is water-soluble, so your body needs it regularly. But that does not mean you need giant panic doses every time someone sneezes near you. Your body likes support, it doesn't need supplement aisle drama. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is special because your body can make it when your skin gets sunlight. That's why vitamin D has main character energy. It walks in wearing sunglasses like, yes, I came from the sun. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and phosphorus. That makes for stronger bones and teeth. It also supports muscles and the immune system. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified foods, and supplements when needed. But many people do not get enough, especially if they stay indoors, live in colder places, or wear lots of sunscreen or barely see the sun. And no, staring sadly out the window does not count. Your body is not fooled. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so your body can store it. That also means you should not blindly take huge doses forever. Smart testing and guidance can matter. Now, vitamin E. Vitamin E is the cell protector. It acts as an antioxidant, helping protect your cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals sound like a tiny motorcycle gang inside your body. And vitamin E is the calm security guard at the door saying, "Not today, gremlins." Vitamin E also supports immune function and blood vessel health. You can get it from nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, and leafy greens. Vitamin E is not the loud celebrity vitamin. It's not screaming on commercials. It's just quietly protecting cells like a responsible adult. And finally, vitamin K. Vitamin K is the emergency repair vitamin. It helps your blood clot. That means when you get a cut, vitamin K helps your body stop the bleeding. If your body had a giant red button labeled, "Seal the leak," vitamin K would be standing next to it. It also supports bone health. You can get vitamin K from leafy greens like kale, spinach, collard greens, broccoli, and some fermented foods. Vitamin K is like the friend with jumper cables. Not flashy, but when things go wrong, suddenly they are the most important person in the parking lot. So, quick recap, vitamin A helps vision, skin, and immune support. The B vitamins help energy, brain function, nerves, metabolism, and blood. Vitamin C helps collagen, healing, immune support, and cell protection. Vitamin D helps bones, calcium absorption, muscles, and immune function. Vitamin E helps protect your cells. Vitamin K helps blood clotting and bone support. But here's the important twist. Vitamins are powerful, but they are not magic. A vitamin does not replace sleep. It does not erase a terrible diet. It does not cancel out stress and no movement. Your body is not asking you to be perfect. It's asking you to give it basic supplies. And this is where people get health all wrong. They think health is punishment, no fun, no flavor, just boiled sadness and a treadmill. But real health is not punishment, it is communication. Your body is always talking. Tiredness can be a message. Cravings can be a message. Brain fog can be a message. Feeling weak, low, or off can be a message. Not always a vitamin message, but still a message. And the point is not to self-diagnose from one video. The point is to stop treating your body like it's random. Your body responds to inputs: food, sleep, stress, sunlight, movement, water, thoughts, habits, and nutrients. That's the real power of understanding vitamins. You stop seeing food as just good or bad. You start seeing it as information. An orange is not just an orange. It is vitamin C, water, fiber, and plant compounds. Salmon is not just dinner. It's protein, fats, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Spinach is not just a green leaf adults pretend to enjoy. It is folate, vitamin K, minerals, and bodybuilding instructions. Your body is building you every day. Your skin, your blood, your brain chemicals, your immune system, your bones, your energy. Your ability to focus, your ability to recover. So the better question is not, how do I become perfect? The better question is, what am I giving my body to build with? Because food is not just fuel, it is information, and your body is always listening.